Happy Friday and welcome back again. So today we're going to continue finding area and perimeter within word problems. So again, just like yesterday, a couple of quick reminders. Area is the space inside a shape. Perimeter is the space around the shape or the outside of the shape. Marla is going to make a fence to go all the way around the small flower garden that she planted. The garden is 5 feet long and 3 feet wide. How many feet of fencing does she need? Let's start by underlining this question. Boom. So once again, we're talking about fencing. As we know, fences go around something. So in this case, we're not quite looking for area. We're going to be trying to figure out the perimeter of her garden bed, around her fence. We know that the garden is 5 feet long and 3 feet wide. So let's draw a model. I'm going to label this side as 5 feet, and I'm going to label the opposite side as 5 feet since opposite sides are equal. Let's fix that up just a little bit. There we go. I'm going to label this, looks a little shorter, so I'm going to label this side as 3 feet, and I'm going to label the opposite side as 3 feet. To find the perimeter, I have to add all the sides. So as you know, I'm going to start with those doubles. 5 plus 5 equals 10. Those are done. 3 feet plus 3 feet equals 6. Those two are done. Now I need to add 10 and 6, which is going to be 16. That means she's going to need 16 feet of fence to go around her garden. Let's try another problem. If Marla's garden is 5 feet long and 3 feet wide, what is the area of her garden? So I went ahead and underlined that question. We're specifically being asked to find the area. So no, I'm not looking for perimeter here. Marla's garden is once again 5 feet long and 3 feet wide. So I am going to still draw a model just to keep it fresh. I'm going to call this side 3 feet. That means the opposite side will be 3 feet. And I'm going to call this 5 feet, which means the opposite side needs to also be 5 feet. Sorry about that, friends. Let's see if we can fix that a little bit. I know area is length times width. So that means I need to multiply my my width, my length. My equation would be 3 times 5, or 3 fives. I know that 3 times 5 is 15. So the area of Marla's garden is 15 feet, and since we're talking about area, squared. Let's try another problem. Miss Walton is going to put string lights around her whiteboard. If the board is 6 feet long, 3 feet wide, how many feet of string lights will she need to go around her board? So let's underline that question. How many feet of string lights will she need to go around her board? So I'm hearing the word around, and earlier in the story, I know she's putting the string lights around her whiteboard. Knowing that, I'm not finding area. I'm figuring out the perimeter of this shape. Her board is 6 feet long and 3 feet wide. So let's draw a model. 6 feet. Opposite side will be 6 feet. This side will be 3 feet. This side will be 3 feet. Whoops, there's my T. Perfect. Will be 3 feet. Let's try to move that. There we go. Since I'm finding perimeter, I need to add all of my sides. So once again, I'm going to start with my doubles. 3 plus 3 equals 6. 6 plus 6 equals 12. My last step is to add 6 plus 12, which I know is going to be 18. That means Miss Walton's going to need 18 feet of string lights to go around her whole board. Last one. The area of the bus parking lot is 200 square feet. The width of the parking lot is 40 feet. What is the length of the parking lot? In this problem, we've been asked, what is the length of the parking lot? But we've been given the area, which is 200 square feet. So when I'm drawing my model, I know, actually, let's move, because last time we had a hard time with the model. When I'm drawing my model, I'm going to have to keep in mind, I only know the area. Let's try it right here. I know the area and I know the width. I'm going to call this longer side my width. So that's 40 feet. I need to find the length. I have 200 square feet. So there's a couple of different ways I could solve this. I know length times width is equal to area. So that means 40 times the length would equal 200, or 200 divided by 40 is going to equal the length. I can use some related equations to help me out here. I know that I could also think of this as 4 times something equals 20. When I see it like that, I know that my something is going to be 5. 40 times 5 will equal 200 because I'm adding that 0 because I'm working with multiples of 10. That means the width of the parking lot is 5 feet. In your word problems today, you'll be working to find area and perimeter. Make sure you're reading your questions carefully, and good luck. See you on Monday.